It's over ankle deep so far, and the rain just got started. I know I'm barefoot, but it's just so you can see how deep it is. Then we're going to get back inside and wash. The whole yard is full. And it's actually come almost all the way up into the house. Hurricane Ida. I haven't been in the front of my stream this morning. It's full of water today. What's going on in the front? Did you guys see this? And we are in Mobile, Alabama. The eyewall hit Louisiana last night. 150-mile-an-hour winds. It's a Hurricane Ida. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. It is still raining. You can hear the thunder. There's been tornado warnings all morning. Oh yeah, it's really coming. It's still gonna rain, y'all. I hear wind. I gotta go. There's been a lot of tornado warnings. So y'all have a good, blessed day.